welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Dinah. So nice to meet you. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Whatever made you click on it today, I'm sure it was the hair. Based off of the title of this video, I'm pretty sure you came to know all about my hair. I know that you guys have been fishing through comments trying to figure out what this hair color is, all about my tape and extensions. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, I did just recently get tape and extensions about roughly, I want to say 2 weeks ago, and I'm just absolutely in love with them. And to be honest, I don't see myself switching to any other method or even going back natural anytime soon. You guys loved the blonde and did not expect me to go dark. Honestly, I didn't even expect myself to go dark, but it was the best decision that I ever did because I have felt so much more confident than I have in the whole year that I was blonde, and it was just too much work. It was high maintenance. I'm happy that I got to enjoy it for as long as I did, but I'm realizing now that blonde hair was just not meant for me, and that's okay. I'm gonna tell you guys all about my hair, everything that I use, how I style it. I just want to take the time out to say thank you so much to Glam Seamless Extensions for sponsoring this video. I did reach out to them before when I was deciding to go and get my tape-in extensions done, and when I had found my stylist who was going to do the installation for me, she had recommended that I purchase from Glam Seamless. I had looked through the Glam Seamless website. I'll put it right here. They have so many different shades of hair. Like, there is no possible way that you cannot find your hair color, and they will also color match for you if you send them a text of your hair in natural light. I had reached out to them and they were kind enough to send me 4 packs of Remy Human Hair. The hair is so thick. I just want to say this before I keep on going with the tape and extensions. Tape and extensions are obviously not for everybody, and I don't want to sit here and say that they're anything like braidless sewing, because they're not like a braidless sewing. I myself have never tried a braidless sewing, but I have gotten a sewing done before in the past. I got a sewing done 3 times and never liked it. I was never happy. The first day that I got them done, I was always like, oh yeah, this is different, oh my gosh, but the hair quality could never even touch what this hair feels like. Could never. My head always looked very bulky and it was really hard to take out. I'll insert pictures right here of what happened to my hair the last time that I got a sewing done, and I was like, literally, never again, never doing this again. I'm not one of those people that will ever talk bad on people's work, ever. I won't, but I am gonna be honest. The installations that I had gotten on all of my sew-ins were just not where it's at. Like, sis, that's not where it's at. My head was literally this big. The second time that I got my sewing done, it was so bulky, it was so much hair. Almost $400 later just went down the drain because I couldn't even keep the hair in for like more than 3 days because my head hurt so bad of how tight they were installed. Glam Seamless had sent me 4 packs of hair. They sent me 2 packs of chocolate brown because I love the chocolate brown color. I had opted for a medium chocolate brown. It wasn't anything, you know, I didn't go to my hairstylist to go do it. You guys know that Brianni does my hair. She is my new hairstylist. She was keeping up with the maintenance of my hair when it was blonde, towards the end of having blonde hair, and I didn't end up going to her because it was just something really quick and I was just really feeling low about myself. And y'all already know, like, when you're feeling down about yourself, the first thing you think of, what can I change? What can I change about myself to make myself feel better? Should I get my nails done? Should I get my eyebrows done? Should I go get a facial? Should I go get a massage? Should I go get my hair done? For me, if my hair is not looking good, nothing else is looking good. So I was definitely thinking about doing my hair for the longest time. I just didn't know what I wanted to do. I know that I wanted to get hair installed, but I didn't know which method I wanted to choose. I opted for a medium chocolate brown. This was the brand that I chose. I just went to a local Sally's and I picked it up. I've used the Argan Oil brand for many, many, many years, and it's the only brand that my mom uses. My mom has beautiful hair. It does not have a bad smell. It smells really good, actually, and it leaves my hair really shiny, so I love it. As soon as I placed the medium chocolate brown, my man loved the color. I got so many compliments because the undertone of brown usually is red. It's always red, obviously, right? But I'm not a hairstylist. I had like this reddish tint when I first placed it on, and Anthony loved it because he loves red. He loves red hair on me. Won't ever do red hair again, but that was as close as I would get to like change. So they sent me 2 packs of 20-inch 1B, which was the only pack that me and Kayla, who did the installation for me, thank you so much, boo, she is dope. I'm gonna put her Instagram page right here, and also my hairstylist too, if you guys are in the Central Florida area and need someone to go to for tape-ins or hair color, etc. These are your 2 girls right here. They had sent me 2 packs of chocolate brown, 1 pack of 1B, which is black, and 1 pack of 20-inch Hawaii, which was in ombre, almost like a balayage color of like medium brown and chocolate brown. The Hawaii was what Kayla had placed throughout, and it just gives like a nice subtle touch of like a light brown, so it's not anything heavy. I wanted something very natural looking. Well, I always like to brush my hair from the medium, like the medium shaft of my hair all the way down, and then I work my way up to the crown and my roots. But you always want to be so gentle. But look how thick, and this isn't even, this is the rest of my hair, so this is the other side, and look how thick this hair is. I'll show you guys my hair. My hair is right here. So this is the length of my hair. My hair turned out to be very thin after doing so many sessions with the blonde and bleaching. This is how thin my hair was left, which did not bother me because I knew that there's always a way of doing things. I knew that I just want to have fun right now. I'm not really, you know, like, oh, I want to take care of my hair and I want my curls back. I don't really care for my curls back, to be honest, right now. Like, I'm just playing with my hair. I'm living my best life. So I don't think that I could have did any more length. This was the perfect length for me because I am only 5 feet. So if I would have went any longer, like, it would have just weighed me down, and I didn't want that. So 20 inches was perfect. These were my inspiration pics that I had sent over to Glam Seamless, and they had taken those inspiration photos and just had sent me those 4 packs of hair. Now, what really stood out to me the most about this process was how easy the installation was. It literally took my girl like a half an hour to do. It was not time consuming whatsoever, and you can also reuse the hair. Greatest thing is that I am not one of those high maintenance people when it comes to my hair. I really just don't like to take too much time on my hair. I like to take a lot of time on my makeup, but I don't like to take a lot of time on my hair. It's just so frustrating to me, and it's annoying, and I just don't like it. I always love when someone else does it for me. So it's literally only took her half an hour. And the tape-in extensions can last anywhere from 6 to 12 weeks depending on how you take care of them and how fast your hair grows. You will kind of see them a little bit dirty, and I don't want to say dirty, it's mainly just the adhesive that's used for the tape. And it's basically just double-sided tape. And she just placed hair on the top and on the bottom as well. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was scared about washing my hair the first time because of how hard it was to style my hair when I had a sew-in. When I had a sew-in, it was so hard to really wash my hair. It always felt dirty. The hair always smelled funny, and I was not down for that. But this hair has literally been so easy to wash, to style. I have already washed it twice since getting it done. It's been 2 weeks. This one is 18 inches and it's in color number 3, so I'm assuming it's the chocolate brown. So I think my girl did end up using the 1B, but I could be wrong. I'm not absolutely sure because I don't see that 1B is throughout my hair because 1B is pretty dark. But look how thick. Okay, this is 1 pack of hair, and this is all the tapes that it comes. It is really easy to install, you just take off this first part right here, this sticker right here, and it's the adhesive, and they lay it down on your natural hair. Someone did tell me, you know, be careful with those. I've heard of people, you know, ripping their hair out from those, and I'm assuming that it's all in how you take care of your hair, how you're brushing, how you're maintaining, how you're washing. I don't like to really wash up at the root. I do on the top of my head, but throughout, I just let the water hit, but I don't go in there and scrub because I want these extensions to last me a long time. They are reusable, so they just go ahead and take it off with their remover, and they just come right off from the other videos that I've seen. But look how thick these are. And that's only one pack of hair. It is so soft. I love the color. They do not smell funky, and that's always a big thing for me. It's always been an issue of mine that I've had with getting hair installed. For some reason, it just always has like a funky smell to it. This is how affordable they are. I was honestly going to buy this hair myself regardless if they didn't, you know, get back to me, but I was grateful that they did get back to me wanting to collaborate. I was going to buy this hair. It was very affordable. It was something within my price range, and I was down for that. The installation was also very affordable compared to what I've spent on sew-ins. You know, it's just so, I'm so content with my hair. I like to straighten my hair first, but I don't like to blow dry it. I did at first think about blow drying, but I just didn't want to do all that pulling. I always wait until my hair is about 90% dry before I do anything with it. So when it's wet, I go ahead and I place my hair in like 2 ponytails, and I do a braid, and I just go to sleep like that, and I wake up with really pretty waves. My natural hair sits perfectly with them. It's not like there's like a huge distinct difference of like my natural hair and then the hair that isn't mine. It all just kind of blends seamlessly. Okay. Guys, I'm so excited for you guys to see the finished result, okay? Look at how bouncy, thick, and shiny this hair is, okay? My natural hair could never, okay? Like, look how, like, I could just, this hair is literally everything. It is so shiny, so smooth. The only thing that I can say that I wish was a little bit different was I like to put my hair up in ponytails from time to time, and if you are one of those people who like to put your hair up a lot, I wouldn't really recommend to do the tape-in method. I'd probably do the braidless sewing. I think that's the method that you can use. I'm not sure. Again, I'm not a hairstylist, but I am so happy with the way that these tape-ins came out. They don't feel heavy at all. Like Anthony even loved them. Anthony would have told me straight up if he just did not like them, and he was just like, babe, yeah, your head is very bulky. He would tell me, like, look at all this hair. I love it. So if you are on the fence, you are blonde, you want to, you know, you see my brunette and you're like, oh my gosh, I should just do it. Just do it. Trust me, it'll be the best damn thing that you did, because it's the best damn thing that I did. And I'm realizing now, like, I'm not meant to be blonde. I'm meant to be right here. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for taking your time out to watch this video. If you don't already follow your girl on Instagram, please come and follow me. I'm rushing right now to get ready for my flight to California tonight, so I'm super excited. Let me know down below if you have any questions. I'd be more than happy to answer them. I'll leave everything down in the description as always. Anything that you guys want to know, lashes, hair color name, lipstick, anything like that, I'm